Most people get premium credit cards wrong. They assume high fees mean little value, but the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Card offers some serious perks worth considering. If you're a frequent traveler or high spender, here's what you need to know. The card earns 2 points per dollar won on travel and dining, and 1.5 points per dollar won on everything else. Points can be redeemed for travel, cash back, or gift cards. The surprising truth is that with bonus categories like dining and travel, points can add up quickly and offset the $395 annual fee for the right user. Additional perks include airport lounge access, travel insurance, and elite status with certain partners. I particularly like the Global Entry/TSA PreCheck credit, which saves both time and hassle when flying. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of travel credits. They often pay for these services out of pocket when they are included with the card. There's also a welcome bonus of points after meeting the spending requirement in the first few months, which can cover flights or hotel stays. Foreign transaction fees are waived, which is perfect for international travel. In conclusion, the Bank of America Premium Rewards Elite Card is best for travelers who spend regularly on flights, hotels, and dining. The rewards and perks easily outweigh the annual fee if you use them strategically. Subscribe for more credit card overviews so you can make the best financial choices.